but we actually do our sampling from live trays. Because if you, we used to do, cut, put in like a little Dixie cup, well, it wilts in 2 seconds, right? If you're in the sun, so
Oh,
we actually use
yeah.
our entire, so we have living trays all around us. I've seen some people do some really cool stuff where they literally bring in an entire rolling rack behind them. And that's almost like a big edible wall behind them, which is kind of cool too. So I've seen really neat things and how you want to accomplish them. But a living tray is great because you watered it before. It's not going to wilt in the sunshine, right? It looks neat and for presentation. And there's nothing better than harvesting a fresh sample, right? So that's how we do it.
Yeah.
Thirdly, it's great if you run out of your cut product. Guess what? You can start harvesting from these trays, packaging on site. So you can bring extra packages or extra containers, extra labels. But yeah, you're definitely going to need a cooler ice packs because it's going to be sitting there probably for 7, 8 hours. And obviously, depending whether you're in the sun or shade, it's just good to have that quality there.